Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday, March 30th, aka week 3 of virtual learning. It's crazy that we are now entering week 3, but I just want to say I am proud of you all for just sticking with it, coming on. More students are coming on each week, and it's just, it's amazing. So I hope you are all doing well. I hope you've been able to take some time to just breathe, reflect, and be with loved ones, be with friends. And yeah, and if you're just tuning in now, let's get some work done. You guys got this. I'm about to share my screen, so sit tight, wait 1 minute for me, and then we will get going. Here we go. So up in front of you is my contact information. I've had a lot of students reach out. Let's keep it coming. If you have any questions at all, just want to say hi, you can do that. So live sessions. Tomorrow is our next live session, Tuesday, March 31st, from 10 to 10:20 a.m. So like I had said last Friday, we are now going to be on Google Meets, also known as Google Hangout. So instead of our YouTube Live, it's going to be Google Hangouts, Google Meets. The link and all the information is up in the Google Classroom, and Ms. Thornton has already put all information through the Phoenix Facebook page. So either go to Google Classroom, Phoenix Facebook page, come on tomorrow between 10 and 10:20, ask any questions you have on assignments, and we will go from there. You know what today is? Today is Monday. That means new mini lesson between 10 and 10:30. So get ready, drum roll. You have mini-qpa number 2 today, y'all. I know, it's crazy. We just had mini-qpa 1 on Friday. Now we got mini-qpa 2 today. It's like, what are you doing to us? But you know what, y'all? You guys got this. I have full faith in you all. And you guys can do this. You guys got this. And it's going to be okay. All the information that you guys have been focusing on with correlations, causation, scatter plots, trends, strong and weak correlations, that's what you're going to be doing in this mini-qpa. You're going to be doing a lot of analyzing. And I'm going to show you a quick resource that I created for you guys. Give me 1 second to escape out of this. Here we go. So this is going to be posted on Google Classroom for you all. It is a scatter plot review sheet. So if you are stuck on mini-qpa 1 or 2, you guys are going to use this sheet. So what I've done is I've broken it down into each topic we've done so far. So we have our scatter plots right here. So remember, our data is quantitative, aka measurable. And then it just breaks it down through examples. Then we have our independent, dependent variables and our height and our weight. So this first page right here that is shown up in front of you, this is going to be primarily used for mini-qpa 1. So if you're stuck on that one, come back to these notes to help you through. So I'm going to pause the video now just so you can take a look at this. Okay, welcome back. So on page 2, now that you've reviewed what scatter plots are, your independent, dependent variables, we're going to look at correlation causation. So I know we're all stuck in our homes, stuck or in anywhere where we can't be with each other. So I want to provide a little example that we can look to toward the summer. So with our correlation causation, so we've learned that all scatter plots are correlations. That means that there's a relationship between one, our dependent, and our independent. There's a relationship there. Causation is one thing causes the other. So with our sunny day, if you are outside and you're really, really hot, it causes you to maybe want some ice cream or any other cool beverage or something that makes you cool. Or that sun causes you to get a sunburn. So sunburns are no bueno, y'all. But that hot sun, put that sunscreen on. So when we're talking about correlation, there's a relationship between ice cream and sunburn, but getting ice cream does not mean you get a sunburn, or because you have a sunburn does not specifically mean that you're going to get ice cream. You might, but it's not always that this causes that. So pause the video again here, just so you can review this. Welcome back. So on our final page of the review sheet, we're talking about our trends and strong and weak correlations. So I provided the example Miss M provided in your packets, but I just wanted to have it all in one place for you. So if we're looking at our trends, if you remember the video some of us have watched, it was like that puff, puff, positive, and down, negative, and then like undefined was our straight line. Try to help you think of that when it's coming to your scatter plot and correlation examples. So when we're talking about our positive correlation, I color-coded it so you have your blue here and then your blue here. That means that your points are increasing. You have a positive slope. So think of it, you're going up, you're going up, you're going up. And you have all of your data points are close, they're clustered together. Then when we transition to our negative, imagine you're coming down that hill. You're no longer going up, you're now coming down. And the data points, they're still clustered together, but they're clustered together going down. Then when we have no correlation, it's just like, it's like fireworks. It's just like one pops here, one pops here, one pops here, one pops here. There's no specific thing that's saying they're all increasing, they're all decreasing, something that's making them go along that way. Then the last thing we talked about before we had mini-qpas is our strong and weak correlations. So I'm going to just have you guys pause for a moment and think. When you hear the word strong and weak, what do you think of? So if you said strong, it's like they're tight-knit, nothing's going to break, they're so super strong, just like you guys with your math power, you're so, so strong. That's what we're talking about, strong correlations. The data points are nice and close-knit together, so they're tight. Your line is straight. It creates that linear line or a linear pattern. Nothing's going to break it. It's that strong, strong relationship. And then when you're thinking about weak correlations, just like when you hear that word, it's weak. It's not strong. Something isn't quite right. They're all scattered. So that is your scatter plot review sheet. And I'll be posting that on the Google Classroom. So y'all, I know that was a lot of information. Let's take a breath. And remind yourself that y'all got this. I and the rest of the Phoenix team have full faith in you all that you can do this. Remember, a few key things. 1, always go to the Google Classroom. Always has your information up there. 2, always, always, always have your student-facing document up with you as you're watching the videos. 3, remember to pause videos at specific times when either myself or Miss M tells you that it's a natural stopping point. If we're not saying that and you feel like, whoa, lots of information, just pause the video. The power of technology today, y'all. We can just pause whenever we want. So always remember to do that. And 4th, be kind to yourself. I know it's a crazy time, but just always take a deep breath. Watch some cute dog, cat videos, watch some anime, play with your own pets, or just have a conversation with a friend, or just go for a quick walk. Set something that you can go do your work, go do what you need to do, then come back and feel like, I got this. So, what you're going to do now, I know I just put a lot at you. So, a few steps. 1, you're going to go down below to Miss M's video. I have also linked it in Google Classroom as well if you want to go from there. 2, you are going to pull up the student-facing document, aka mini-qpa number 2, and you're going to go work and complete on it. And please turn it. Or just share it with me, text me, anything, turn in so you can do great. 3, use that review sheet to help you out. And 4, if you guys have any questions, anything at all, please reach out to me. I'm going to sign off for now. Y'all got this. I have faith in y'all. Got this. You can do this. Got this. Ciao, ciao.